You need to have vodka with this music.
Sharp turn and then go perpendicular to the slope down. Exactly. Very good. The second try.
Go behind on it. Or you go behind.
Reach you back some more space.
Go be make
Hold on,
make
no,
some
no.
space.
Thank you. The best is you come straight down the slope here. Go down the same path that Ben went or John went. Wait a second. I'm coming.
The momentum gets lost.
Yeah.
His
It was
momentum, your
slow.
momentum. Yeah. You would have gone ahead because if you comment, I go, then he went first. Oh, he's fine.
Follow me now.
Let him go first and you go. Okay, he's really ramming it. Here.
Excellent.
Oh my god, where's the
The slope here.
The Pajero pockets a lot of sand behind.
so but the kind of no color.
It's a good track.